And so to you people in Qatar, I am very happy when I landed at the airport. Many people, habari mheshimiwa. I saw many people at the conference facility. I was wondering whether I was in Nairobi or whether I was in Nairobi or I was in Qatar. But you feel a sense of pride if you see citizens of your country, in different places of the world. And specifically to you people in Qatar, I must say congratulations. You are doing a wonderful job, and you have our support. Let me also say that it is our intention to support you on 3 other areas. We are working as a government to see how we can reduce the cost of you sending money back home, remittance. We know that it costs anywhere between 5 to 10% of the money you send. And if you look at the amount of money that comes to Kenya, it's about $5 billion. If you do 5% of $5 billion, it's colossal. It's huge money. It can make a big difference. So I did instruct the central bank to work with the International Association of Remittance so that we can find, much more cost-effective mechanisms of you being able to send your money back